morning children, this is 5th class maths. Today I am going to start new block, that is block 15 data handling. First data. Data means what children? Collecting the information. Data means collecting the information. For example, nowadays the government is collecting the information of COVID patient. How many are positive cases, how many are negative cases, how many are dead. So they are collecting the information of COVID patients. Okay. Data handling. Data handling is data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording and presenting the information. We can collect the data in different ways. See children, now I gave the example of COVID. First what they will do? They gather the information of COVID patients, and first they will gather, then they will record and present in the news. After collecting the data, we will show in the different ways. That is, first one, bar graph. Second, circle chart. Third, line draw. Okay. In this class, we learn in S1 we learn first bar graph. Bar graph is a graph with a rectangular bar with length to show the values that they represent. Okay, for example, I gave example of COVID patients and children. I will show how to draw this in bar graph. Okay. Now this is called vertical axis. This is horizontal axis. This is y axis. This is x axis. Children, I gave example of COVID patients. I am showing the data of on date 6/12/2020. Only example children, just I am showing example. See, this vertical is taken as y axis. This horizontal axis is taken x axis. So here this horizontal axis will take COVID-19. But vertical axis is number of COVID patients. It shows what vertical axis shows? Number of COVID patients. Horizontal axis shows number of positive patients, negative COVID patients and death. Okay. Now see positive cases. How many? 30. So we will draw bar graph like this children. Okay. Positive cases are of COVID is 30. Negative is 20. Okay. Next, death is 10. So like this, we will draw the bar graph in rectangular bars. These are called rectangular bars. Okay, I hope you understood. Take it your work, children. I will show you work.
Page number 35. Write date 7/12/2020. S1 bar graph. Here table is given. Number of literate women out of 100. Years 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001, 2011. Pakistan. Year wise they given children. Literate women. These are the literate women how increased year by 1971 to 2011. In India, in Egypt 45, 56, 72, 74, 78. In Brazil 82, 86, 89, 91, 93. So here the given example literate women out of 100, Pakistan. See children, literate means, you know, literate means they can read and write. Illiterate means they can't read and write. So this is the graph I showed on board, children. This line is called vertical axis. This is horizontal axis. This side shows years. This vertical axis shows number of literate women. So here you have to write the dates. Here the scale, number of literate women scale, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So first one, in 1971 in Pakistan, how many are 12 literate women are 12, 1971. So 10 and little you have to take, increase and draw bar graph. In 1981, 16. Then 1991, 32. After 30, take little up. And 2001, 42. And 2011 is 45. So this lies between 40 and 15 between. Okay. Now like same we have to draw here. What? Make a bar graph of the data in literate women in Egypt. So write here literate women out of 100 in Egypt. Okay. Vertical axis, this axis is called y-axis. Horizontal line, this is called x-axis. Right here, this line shows years. First 1971, next 1981, 1991, 2001, 2011. Here this side shows number of literate women. Okay, now you draw bar graph. Egypt 45. Now I am drawing bars, children. So how I am marking? See here 192 1 centimeter is there, no? 192. This line they mark, no? I kept like this. Mark it. 1971, 45. So 45 it will comes 40 and 5 and 50 between. Next 1981, 56. That 56 it will comes between 50 and 60 between. Next 1991, 72. This after 70 you take little up. Next 2001. In 2001, 74. Next 2011, 78. 78. Seventy-eight means that is nearest to 80. After finishing bar graph, we color it, children. Now second question, what happens to the number of literate women over time in Egypt? So what happened, children? It is every 10 years it is increased. So that you have to write. The number of literate women who can read and write increase over time in Egypt. Now third and fourth question, do it as homework. Okay, I hope you understood. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.